Hi there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to easily exchange items using the Zara app. It's quick and hassle-free. So let's get started. At first, you have to be on the home screen of your mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. Once you are in, tap onto the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the account page. Next, you have to select the purchase option to view your recent purchases. As you can see, I have not ordered anything from Zara yet, but you might have ordered something recently. So find the items you want to exchange and tap on it to view the order details. In order detail page, look for the exchange button or option. Tap on it to start the exchange process. Zara allows exchange for the items of same value, usually for a different size or color. Next, you have to choose new size or color you want. Make sure it is in stock. Once selected, confirm your exchange request. Now, Zara will guide you on how to return the original item. You can choose a free home pickup or a drop-off at the Zara store. Follow the instructions provided in the app to complete these steps. Once you have confirmed the exchange, you will receive a confirmation email. You can also track the process of the exchange in the order section. And that's it. You have successfully requested an exchange on the Zara app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.